Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Airbnb booking credit after canceling. So first, you may want to head over to airbnb.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. So next, in your traveling account, just click on the three-line icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Then just click on account settings. Next, in the left panel, click on Payments. And from here, all you have to do is scroll down and you should be able to see from here your rebooking credit balance and also your booking credit balance. You can always use this on your next Airbnb bookings in the future. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!